Welcome back to Demolition Worker. Today we witness the incredible reconstruction of a massive drilling derrick damaged by extreme heat. The derrick stands as the tallest and most critical structure of any drilling rig, but fire has severely warped it. We are looking at the direct result of intense thermal stress, which bent these massive steel frames completely out of shape. The first major step involves carefully dismantling these compromised steel segments before any new construction can safely take place here. Workers use high-powered cutting tools to slice through the deformed metal, removing the most dangerously compromised sections of the rig. Each twisted beam must be lifted away with extreme caution to prevent any further damage to the surrounding structural foundation. With the damaged framework completely removed, the drilling floor is finally cleared and prepared for the intensive rebuilding process ahead. Freshly fabricated steel beams arrive at the site, ready to replace the weakened metal and restore the towering derrick structure. Advanced laser welding machines are quickly deployed onto the drilling floor to ensure absolute precision during the complex reassembly phase. These state-of-the-art laser welders fuse heavy steel plates together with flawless precision, guaranteeing maximum structural integrity always. Powerful hydraulic steel straighteners apply immense pressure to correct any minor imperfections, ensuring every single beam is perfectly aligned today. Pressure gauges rise steadily as the hydraulic rams push the heavy metal back into its original, perfectly straight form. Skilled engineers carefully inspect the newly fused joints using ultrasonic testing equipment to detect any hidden internal flaws or weaknesses. Next, the team must install the giant flywheels that are essential for handling the incredibly heavy drill pipes during operations. Workers secure the massive flywheels into their protective housings, tightening huge industrial bolts with powerful pneumatic wrenches to ensure safety. The complex pulley system is then carefully threaded with thick steel cables, which will soon lift thousands of tons daily. The main drawworks drum rotates slowly as technicians guide the heavy steel cables, ensuring they spool evenly without any tangles. Looking up from the drill floor, we can see the intricate web of new steel framing starting to take shape. Iranian engineers closely review digital blueprints on rugged tablets, focusing intensely on the central axis alignment of the entire structure. A highly precise laser alignment tool emits a bright green beam upwards, establishing the absolute center of the towering derrick. The digital display confirms a deviation of 0 millimeters, proving that the central axis is perfectly aligned for safe drilling. Even a deviation of a few millimeters could cause catastrophic failure, so engineers make tiny micro-adjustments to the base. The entire drill floor bustles with coordinated activity as workers and heavy machines move in perfect unison to rebuild everything. Another massive section of the derrick is hoisted high into the air, slowly piecing together the towering silhouette once again. High-altitude workers wearing safety harnesses carefully guide the suspended steel section into its exact resting place on the frame. Heavy-duty bolts are driven into the connecting joints, permanently securing the newly placed derrick section to the growing tower. As the sun begins to set, the partially constructed derrick casts long, dramatic shadows across the calm surface of the ocean. The reconstruction effort continues through the night, illuminated by bright industrial floodlights that keep the workspace highly visible and safe. Glowing sparks rain down from high above as dedicated night shift welders work tirelessly to secure the upper structural bracing. Dawn breaks over the horizon, revealing a significantly taller, much more complete derrick structure, rising proudly above the waves. The massive traveling block is carefully installed into the upper section, ready to handle the extreme weight of drill pipes. Thick steel cables are meticulously threaded through the heavy sheaves of the traveling block to create a powerful lifting mechanism. Next, the top drive system is lowered into position, bringing advanced rotational power directly to the center of the derrick. Technicians quickly connect thick hydraulic hoses and heavy electrical cables to ensure the newly installed top drive operates with perfection. This incredible time-lapse shows the rapid assembly of the derrick, highlighting the efficiency and skill of the engineering team. Flying up the length of the newly rebuilt derrick, we can truly appreciate the gleaming steel and massive structural scale. The laser alignment tool is deployed one final time to verify that the completed tower remains perfectly straight and true. The lead engineer gives a confident thumbs up after reviewing the final alignment data, confirming the structure is absolutely flawless. The fully assembled derrick now stands tall and majestic against the clear blue sky, a testament to modern engineering brilliance. At the very top, the crown block sits securely, anchoring the complex cable system that powers the entire drilling operation. Workers begin removing the temporary scaffolding and structural supports from around the base, revealing the clean lines of the derrick. The drill floor is thoroughly swept and cleaned, marking the final physical preparation before actual drilling activities can officially resume. Heavy drill pipes are automatically moved onto the drill floor, testing the newly installed handling systems for the first time. The automated iron roughneck machine extends forward to connect two heavy drill pipes together, demonstrating perfect mechanical precision and power. The massive top drive lowers down to connect with the drill string, its powerful electric motors whining as they engage. The entire drill string begins to rotate smoothly, carefully controlled by the expert operator sits inside the high-tech cabin. The driller gently pushes the joystick forward, monitoring the glowing screens that display real-time drilling parameters and system health. The giant mud pumps roar to life, sending vital drilling fluid down the hole as pressure gauges spike to normal. Thick drilling mud returns to the surface, flowing rapidly over the vibrating shale shakers to separate out the rock cuttings. The newly rebuilt derrick vibrates slightly under the immense load, but it holds perfectly firm as drilling reaches full speed. Iranian engineers smile and shake hands warmly on the drill floor, celebrating the highly successful restart of this massive rig. The heart of the rig is finally beating once again, pumping life back into the massive offshore oil extraction facility. This towering structure represents not just steel and machinery, but the incredible resilience and technical expertise of the dedicated engineers. Every single bolt and welded joint tells a story of hard work, precision, and the relentless pursuit of engineering perfection. The intense heat that once destroyed this platform has been matched by the fiery determination of the crew rebuilding it. Watching these massive mechanical systems operate flawlessly is a true testament to the rigorous testing and alignment procedures performed here. For the workers on this platform, seeing the drill string finally go down the hole is the ultimate rewarding moment. The glowing laser alignment beam remains a powerful symbol of the extreme precision required to keep this massive operation safe. Pressure gauges hold perfectly steady in the green zone, indicating that the newly restored systems are functioning at optimal capacity. The heavy top drive rotates rapidly, spinning the drill pipe with incredible torque to crush the solid rock far below. Thick drilling mud flows vigorously through the heavy steel pipes, acting as the essential lifeblood for this entire drilling operation. The digital monitors inside the cabin show the drill bit depth increasing steadily, confirming successful penetration deep into the earth. At night, the fully illuminated rig looks like a bustling small city, floating alone on the dark, vast ocean surface. The flare boom suddenly ignites, sending a bright orange flame into the night sky, signaling the successful extraction of gas. The roaring flame burns brightly, reflecting beautifully across the dark ocean waters and marking a major victory for the crew. Engineers carefully monitor the rising gas flow rates on their computer screens, nodding in deep satisfaction at the positive numbers. Even as strong ocean winds begin to batter the platform, the newly rebuilt derrick stands incredibly strong and completely unwavering. A transport helicopter lands smoothly on the helipad, bringing a fresh crew of eager workers to the now operational platform. The new crew members step off the helicopter, carrying their heavy gear and feeling ready to start their long shifts. The departing crew boards the helicopter to head home, looking physically exhausted but incredibly proud of their amazing reconstruction work. As the helicopter takes off and flies away, it leaves behind a fully active and highly productive offshore drilling rig. This sweeping aerial view captures the sheer scale of the platform, highlighting the derrick, helipad, and the roaring flare. We have witnessed an incredible transformation today, turning a damaged and dangerous structure into a marvel of modern industrial engineering. The delicate laser alignment tools are carefully packed away, their critical job of ensuring absolute structural perfection finally completed successfully. Heavy hydraulic straighteners are lifted off the drill floor by a crane, clearing the area now that the metalwork is finished. A final visual inspection of the welded joints reveals clean, solid metal seams that will easily withstand extreme drilling pressures. The head driller confidently logs the daily successful operations into the official rig manifest, marking the official return to service. Powerful ocean waves crash against the massive steel legs of the rig, a constant reminder of this harsh marine environment. Towering high above the turbulent waves, the newly fortified derrick remains completely unfazed by the powerful and relentless ocean swells. A tired worker looks out over the vast ocean from the drill floor railing, enjoying a brief moment of peace. The sun rises once again, casting a beautiful golden light over the incredibly busy and noisy drill floor in operation. The heavy top drive spins the drill string rapidly, its spinning metal catching the bright golden rays of morning light. The giant mud pumps pulse rhythmically in the background, acting as the steady, powerful heartbeat of this entire drilling operation. The national flag waves proudly in the strong ocean wind at the very top of the newly rebuilt drilling derrick. This dramatic low-angle perspective emphasizes the sheer height and incredible stability of the completed derrick structure against the clouds. Inside the control room, engineers monitor the resource extraction rates, which are steadily increasing beyond their initial daily production estimates. The flare flame burns even brighter in the sky, providing a clear visual confirmation of the rapidly increasing gas flow. This incredible time-lapse captures the rig operating flawlessly for several days, demonstrating continuous and highly reliable performance without fail. The automated pipe handler seamlessly adds another heavy segment of drill pipe to the string, keeping the drilling process continuous. Deep underground, massive drill bit grinds aggressively through solid rock formations, unlocking valuable energy resources trapped beneath the ocean. The animation shows pressurized natural gas flowing rapidly up the reinforced well bore, traveling thousands of feet toward the surface rig. Back on the surface, the massive gas processing equipment hums with intense activity, safely managing the incredible subterranean pressures involved. The energy minister gives an enthusiastic thumbs up during a video call, congratulating the lead engineer on this monumental achievement. A beautiful, vibrant sunset drops behind the fully operational oil rig, creating a stunning silhouette against the colorful evening sky. The powerful rig lights turn on automatically as darkness falls, brightly illuminating the dark ocean waves for miles around it. This magnificent offshore facility stands as a shining beacon of human ingenuity, successfully conquering the harshest environments on the planet. Thank you for watching Demolition Worker. Be sure to like and subscribe for more incredible engineering mega projects next time.